As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Axie cost will hit $6 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $9 toward the finish of 2025. Axie will ascend to $12 inside the extended time of 2026, $15 in 2030 and $20 in 2032. Axie value expectation 2024 to 2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.72, so the cost diminished by 24% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $7.87 and the year-to-year change 11%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 17%. In 2024, we hope to see $7.40 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $8.49. In the last part, the cost would add $1.91 and close the year at $10.40, which is plus 55% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $10.40 to $20.33, which is up 95%. Axie will begin 2026 at $10.40, then take off to $12.18 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $12.83. That implies plus 91% from today. Axie forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $20.33 to $26.45, which is plus 30%. Axie will begin 2031 at $20.33, then take off to $19.35 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $20.44. It is about plus 204% from today. June 1, 2024. Axie value expectation 2024 to 2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.45, so the cost diminished by 16% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $8.12 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 9%. In 2024, we hope to see $7.64 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $8.76. In the last part, the cost would add $1.97 and close the year at $10.73, which is plus 44% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $10.73 to $21, which is up 96%. Axie will begin 2026 at $10.73, then take off to $12.57 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $13.25. That implies plus 78% from today. Axie expectation 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $21 to $27.33, which is plus 30%. Axie will begin 2031 at $21, then, at that point, take off to $19.99 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $21.11. It is about plus 184% from today. May 15, 2024. Axie value expectation 2024 to 2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.71. So the cost diminished by 24% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $13.47 and the year-to-year change plus 52%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 101%. In 2024, we hope to see $9.29 per one Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $14.89. In the final part, the cost would add $3.35 and close the year at $18.24, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.24 to $29.53, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.24. Then take off to $19.32 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $16.92. That implies plus 152% from today. Axie forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $29.53 to $37.60, which is plus 27%. Axie will begin 2031 at $29.53, then, at that point, take off to $31.30 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $33.06. It is about plus 393% from today, May 1st, 2024. Axie value expectation 2024 to 2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.76, so the cost diminished by 23% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $13.51, and the year-to-year change plus 53%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 100%. In 2024, we hope to see $9.32 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $14.93. In the last part, the cost would add $3.36 and close the year at $18.29, which is plus 170% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.29 to $29.62, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.29, then, at that point, take off to $19.37 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $16.96. That implies plus 151% from today. Axie forecast 2031 to 2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $29.62 to $37.71, which is plus 27%. Axie will begin 2031 at $29.62, then, at that point, take off to $31.40 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $33.17. It is about plus 390% from today. April 15, 2024. Axie value expectation 2024 to 2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.14, so the cost diminished by 19% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $8.12, and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 14%. In 2024, we hope to see $7.52 per one Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $10.56. In the final part, the cost would add $1.81 and close the year at $12.37, which is plus 73% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026 to 2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost